Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison between two of the most popular AI talking avatar platforms of 2025, DID and Synthesia. If you've ever seen those incredibly realistic videos where a digital person speaks directly to the camera, sometimes in multiple languages, and you wondered, how on earth is this made? Chances are these tools were behind it. We'll break this down into an overview, main features, pricing, pros and cons, and finally we'll reach a balanced conclusion. So let's get started. DID positions itself as a creative AI company focused on bringing photos to life. The platform, called the Creative Reality Studio, allows you to create avatars from still images, make them talk, translate their speech into multiple languages, and even interact live through what they call visual AI agents. They've really doubled down on personalization, letting you create avatars from your own photo or brand assets. Their core technologies like speaking portraits and live portraits are designed to make avatars expressive and believable. So if you want to generate a digital spokesperson in minutes, DID has the tools to do it. Synthesia, on the other hand, takes a more corporate approach. It brands itself as the world's leading AI video creation platform, trusted by tens of thousands of teams worldwide, including some of the largest companies in the world. What makes Synthesia different is its end-to-end video production ecosystem. You don't just create an avatar, you can build entire training videos, product explainers, and corporate communications all inside their platform. They've put a lot of emphasis on collaboration, brand consistency, compliance, and scalability. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. First, DID, Creative Reality Studio. This lets you type in text or upload audio and instantly turn it into a talking video. Speaking portraits. You can take any still photo and animate it so the person looks like they're talking naturally. Personal avatars. Upload your own picture or brand character and make it speak in multiple languages. Video translate. You can take your original video and automatically generate a translated version complete with lip sync in the target language. And visual AI agents. Interactive avatars that you can use in your customer support, e-learning, or live presentations. Developer API for businesses that want to integrate avatar generation directly into their apps or services. Now what about Synthesia? Huge avatar library. Over 200 avatars to choose from, plus the option to create personal avatars. Massive language support. There are more than 140 languages and accents, making it ideal for global teams. Collaboration tools. There are shared workspaces, comments, and version control, making it easy for teams to work together. Branding and consistency. You can brand kits, custom templates, and style controls for professional looking content. One-click translation and localization. It is ideal for global training and communication. Compliance and security. There's enterprise-grade security standards like GDPR, SOC2, and ISO certification. Templates and workflow tools. There are pre-built video templates and AI assistants to speed up content creation. So here's the difference. DID is about personalization and creativity, while Synthesia is about scalability, workflow, and professional polish. Now let's talk about the pricing of both platforms. For DID, there's a trial version for 14 days, which costs you $0. After that, you can choose whether you want the Lite plan, the Pro plan, or the Advanced plan. The Lite plan costs $4.7 per month, and you get unlimited videos for your first month in generation. Subsequently, it's reduced to 10 minutes per month for videos, agent, video translate, and API. The Pro version costs $16 per month, and the Advanced costs $108 per month. Synthesia, on the other hand, has the basic plan, which is free to get started with. No credit card is required, and you have one editor with 9 AI avatars. You get up to 3 minutes of video per month. Then the starter plan at $18 per month, the creator plan at $64 per month, and there's an enterprise plan where you can customize for your team. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? Let's start with the pros for DID. Very realistic facial animations, especially when using personal photos. Affordable entry-level pricing is another strong point, and its useful features like video translation and live AI agents makes it really popular. And the pros for Synthesia? Extremely polished and professional looking avatars are available here, and there's massive selection of avatars and languages, constantly improving realism, especially with their recent focus on expressions and body movements. How about the cons? For DID, video rendering may be slower compared to Synthesia, and there's limited collaborative and enterprise level features unless you pay more. And the cons for Synthesia? It is more expensive, especially for premium features, and is less flexible for hobbyists or solo creators. So let's come to the big question: which talking avatar app looks more real in 2025? Well, here's my take. If you're an individual creator, a small business, or someone who wants the most personalized and lifelike single avatar, go with DID. But if you're part of a larger company, a training department, or you need hundreds of videos in multiple languages, then Synthesia is the more realistic choice because it delivers not just avatars, but a whole video production pipeline. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HeyGen, Rephrase.ai, and Flaky. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.